Ayan guys. May libre na naman kaming food. Ayan. Ay, nag-birthday yung bata dito guys. Ayan. Sinama kami sa food. Ayan. Kaya meron kaming food pack. Ayan. May kasama pa siya cute cake. Ayan. Ganda guys, oh. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ganito dito sa school guys. Pag may nagbo-birthday bata, sinasama kami sa Gracia. Ayan. Thanks for watching guys. Ay, mami-merienda na naman ako. Diba guys? Thanks for watching. All this juice to be happy.